Hi, this is Katina. I have this coworker. I'm just gonna give her initials AP. She works in the office with ME, and we had a good laugh because she's like, Katina, you gotta Google some things. And I'm the Google queen, and I was just too tired and too sickly to Google last night. So I received my prescription for my cough medication last night. Take 5 to 10 milliliters by mouth every 4 to 6 hours as needed. I think I need it every 2 to 3 hours. So I took 3 teaspoons of this cough medicine. Didn't Google it because I was tired, coughing, sick, snotty nose, everything. I found a baby spoon that belonged to my grandson. Lo and behold, 2 teaspoons is 10 milliliters. Who'da thunk it? I'm a practicing practitioner. I don't have time to add. I could pay somebody to add for me. So you know what I'm taking tonight? 10 plus 5 is 15 milliliters again. It felt good last night. It's going to feel good again tonight. Goodbye.